got any final thoughts for the show?
Make jukes, not war.
Can we edit that out?
Nope. I had my game face on.
Welcome to 2024, where we have our first video of the year, which is a mail call from 33Diecast on Instagram. A good friend of mine who I've been talking to for a few weeks now, who's made a custom, and, well, presumably, judging by the size of it, and also the weight of it, a few other bits and pieces too. So I can't wait to get this cracked, open, and, well, showcase for you on the channel. I know sort of what he's made. It's a Volvo 850, which looks fairly cool from the little sneak peeks he showed me, but I don't know totally what he sent. So let's get it cracked, and, well, let's really see what is in there. Of course, always be careful with your knives, cut away from yourself. Don't do what I've done in the past. And yeah, let's get it cracked. Here we are. Let's get it open. I've not had any sneak peeks. I don't know what's in here other than one thing, which is a custom. And yeah, let's get her open. There's a lot in here, I can tell you that much. Got a lot of stickers. I like some stickers. I'll get them all over the place. I'll get them on my Derek box, which I put all my stickers on. A Haribo box, that's a new one for me. Thank you very much, mate. I'll have them, or I'll enjoy them later on when I'm watching some TV. Looks like, oh, that's very nice. A Porsche 911 930 Turbo, one of the better 911s ever made, and that's brand new from the Boulevard series. I've been very tempted to pick one of these up myself. I'm sort of glad I didn't know, as there's one in the box. Thank you very much, mate. That's very kind. I think that's a Schuko. I'm not entirely sure. I'm going to wait on that one because I believe that's the custom. That's probably why it's in the wrapped up state it is. And there's a letter here. I probably should have started with the letter. Open last spoiler, a couple of spare cards. Okay, won't let that. Won't open it yet then. What is this? 1 second. Cracked now. What is this? And oh, that is amazing. It's an R56 Cooper S, just like mine. Well, mine isn't an S, mine's a diesel Cooper, but still, very, very cool. That's my body style. Love that. I'll have to flex that in my little Mini Group I'm in. That's fantastic, that lovely Subaru Dogs STI. I've been in one of them. Brilliant little cars. And also an Evo as well. Brilliant. Cannot wait to get that thing open. Oh, not open, but just look at it. That is brilliant, that, mate. That is absolutely fantastic. I love my Minis. Ever since we bought one, it's just been, well, a non-stop, forever given sort of gift. This is a new one for me. I've never seen one of these before. I'll get this open later. Looks like we've got some chocolate in there. Nothing better than cheap chocolate. It's fantastic. What's in the box? Let's get the box open as well, won't we? Looks like I'm just going to slide my finger in and open it like that, and hopefully I'm not going in the wrong order. Looks like we've got something old. Oh, that is fun. No way. No way. That is unbelievable. That is an R50. No, it's an R50 Mini Cooper. Oh no, sorry, R53 Mini Cooper S. Not quite my generation, but is definitely my colours. In fact, if we have a look over the fence here, we'll see the car. There you go. That is brilliant. So yeah, that is fantastic, and the car is brilliant. It's one of 10,000 in the world. I've never actually seen these ones before. In fact, I might have. I'm not entirely sure. I can't quite remember. And yes, I will go and pick that bit of bubble wrap up after I'm finished. That is brilliant. Very, very close to my actual car. Thank you very much, my man. I'm very, very pleased with that. That is fantastic. You know me very, very well. And is that something down there? No, it isn't. I always check just in case, because I don't really want to throw something away that is, well, of course, something else. Let's get it cracked and opened up. More. These are very, very stiff boxes. I'm glad they are, because it stops our lovely mail force from destroying them. And oh, this looks brilliant. I already tell what it is. It's a Schuko BMW 36 M3 in a beautiful yellow colour. 1 second. That looks brilliant. Now, I already have one of these in blue, of course, as you see on the channel before. I've reviewed it and of course showcased it, but this is a special edition, beautiful looking model in a lovely sort of yellowy orange colour, one of my favourite yellows. This is a brilliant casting, as of course we know, with fantastic detailing. This is mine on my second Schuko. And there's a bit of facts if you want to pause on it there. From 1990 to 2000, BMW produced the third generation of the BMW 3 Series, which of course we know as the E36. And well, we're going to move on to the penultimate now, before I tidy everything up, and we'll let that thing open for the final bit of what have we got in here. Well, that already tells the Hot Wheels logo on there already. That's a very stiff bit of God, this is extremely hard to do one-handed, but we'll get it done. Get her opened up, and hopefully not leave too many remnants of horrible sticky tape. But it keeps it safe, so I appreciate it. And yeah, it's probably better to get this done two-handed, so I'll put it down and use my stand. And I hope you can all see. Probably have to expand it a bit. There we go. These are very tight little blister packs. They're fantastic then. We'll get her open and out. Tease it out. There we go. And it looks like the casting is separate. I'll open this little bit first. It's probably the better bit. It feels very heavy. I think this is the card. Probably is, judging by how it actually looks. Actually no, I'll open the casting first, because that'll probably give away how the casting looks. And without further ado, there's a lot of protection for it, which I'm glad for, because sometimes they do get a little smashed up. I'll pick that up in a second in the post. And are you ready? There it is. That is unbelievably good, that. Fantastic. Yeah, that is just brilliant. The detailing is fantastic, and I love that private plate. That is brilliant. And also the exhaust coming out of the bottom of the rear door. That is bonkers, but brilliant. I noticed you used the metal base plate. I noticed you dropped it on my face. The metal base plate, and I know you usually like to do that, my man. So thank you very much. I love that. I love the fact you've also coloured in the screwdriver. The screw bit. That is brilliant. The gold wheels complement it very, very well. The detailing is also brilliant, and I just love that private plate. It's brilliant. And of course Nismo at the top, because why not? The detailing in the interior is also brilliant as well. If we take a look there closer, I cannot manage that detailing even if I tried my very hardest. I would still mess it up a million times. So that is brilliant. I just love this. It's bonkers. The roof has been cut in a million pieces, which is also bonkers, but I love it. It gets you able to see the brilliant little details inside there. Yeah, that is fantastic, that. And the paint colour is, I don't know if you can really tell, it's sort of like a lovely sort of burgundy, deep red or purple. It's really, really nice, that. And I'll get the card open as well. So why not do it in all take? On one take, should I say. Just rip it open, why not? Corkboard, that's probably why it feels so heavy. And hopefully it'll come out. Doesn't want to. There we go. And here we go. To Aaron, hope you enjoy your custom. Happy New Year 2024. Regards, Rob and Monica. Thank you very much, you two. Your two are absolute legends, and I just love this. This is brilliant. It's got my logo on there. I don't know how you've managed to get that. That's brilliant. Great little detail there. And of course, Rob Nismo and Aaron's Volvo 840 estate. I love that. This is a bit of me, that, and also your logo there as well. That's brilliant. Of course, an actual bit of card as well. So when we put it in, it'll look something like that. That is brilliant. I absolutely love that. Every single bit of it. That is absolutely fantastic. And of course, I'll open up the spare ones there off camera as well. So I hope you've all enjoyed. I'm going to take a few shots of the Volvo and maybe do a separate review of the Schuko and a few other bits and pieces. So thank you very much, my man. Oh, should I say Rob? Thank you very much. I hope you all have a very good new year. Mine started off absolutely fantastically. Hope you all stay safe, have fun, and of course, stay juke'ing. I'd like to show you all how it looks like in there. That looks absolutely perfect. I love the fact that everything on the card matches that. That is a brilliant touch. I love that. Yeah, that colour just sets it away. So we're going to get this on the floor now, take a few photos, but, well, I'll end it again. Stay safe everyone, have fun, of course. I hope you all enjoyed. Stay juke'ing.